Money management made simple. Tips for a healthier financial life. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment and share our video, and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. We all want to be financially stable, but the reality is that managing money can be overwhelming and confusing. Between bills, savings, and investments, it's hard to know where to start. Fortunately, there are simple steps you can take to improve your financial health and start building a solid foundation for your future. In this video, we'll share some easy tips that will help you get a handle on your finances and create a healthier financial life. Whether you're just starting out or looking to improve your current situation, you'll find actionable advice that will help you achieve your goals. From setting a budget and tracking your expenses to creating an emergency fund and investing wisely, we've got you covered. So let's get started on the path to financial stability. 1. Start by tracking your spending. If you're looking to improve your financial situation, the first step is to track your spending. This means keeping a record of every penny you spend, whether it's on rent, groceries, or just a coffee on the way to work. Tracking your spending will give you a clear picture of where your money is going each month. You may be surprised to find that you're spending more on certain things than you realized, or that you're spending money on things you don't really need. There are many ways to track your spending, from writing everything down in a notebook to using a budgeting app or software. Choose a method that works best for you and make it a habit to record all of your expenses. Once you have a clear picture of your spending habits, you can start to make changes. Look for areas where you can cut back or ways to save money. For example, you could try meal planning to save money on groceries, or switch to a cheaper cell phone plan. Tracking your spending may seem like a small step, but it's the foundation for improving your financial situation. By knowing where your money is going and making changes as needed, you can take control of your finances and work towards a healthier financial life. 2. Create a budget that reflects your goals and values. Creating a budget that reflects your goals and values is paramount to having a healthy financial life. A budget is essentially a plan that helps you manage your income and expenses, and it's critical to have one if you want to achieve your financial goals. To create a budget, first, you need to determine your income. This includes your salary, any bonuses, and other sources of income. Next, list all of your monthly expenses, including rent/mortgage, utilities, groceries, transportation, and any other bills you pay regularly. Once you have a comprehensive list of your expenses, it's important to categorize them and prioritize them based on their importance to you. For example, if your goal is to save for a down payment on a house, you may want to prioritize saving money for that over going out to eat every week. It's also important to identify areas where you can cut back on expenses. This could be anything from reducing your cable bill to bringing your lunch to work instead of eating out. Remember, your budget should reflect your unique goals and values. It's important to be honest with yourself about what's important to you and what you're willing to sacrifice to achieve your goals. With a little planning and dedication, you can create a budget that will help you achieve your financial goals and live a healthier financial life. 3. Develop a debt repayment plan. Developing a debt repayment plan is crucial for achieving financial stability. It's no secret that debt can quickly spiral out of control, leaving you feeling overwhelmed and helpless. However, with a solid plan in place, you can take control of your finances and work towards paying off your debts. The first step in developing a debt repayment plan is to assess your current debts. Make a list of all your debts, including the balance owed, interest rate, and minimum monthly payment. This will give you a clear picture of your overall debt situation. Next, you'll want to prioritize your debts. Focus on paying off high-interest debt first, such as credit card debt, as this will save you money in the long run. You may also want to consider consolidating your debts into a single loan with a lower interest rate. Once you have a clear understanding of your debts and have prioritized them, it's time to create a repayment plan. This plan should outline how much you can afford to pay each month towards your debts and which debts you will pay off first. It's important to be realistic when developing your plan. Don't commit to paying more than you can afford each month, as this will only set you up for failure. Instead, focus on making consistent, manageable payments towards your debts. By developing a debt repayment plan and sticking to it, you'll be on your way to achieving financial stability and a healthier financial life. 4. Set up an emergency fund. Setting up an emergency fund is one of the most important things you can do to ensure that you are financially secure. An emergency fund is a savings account that is specifically set aside for unexpected expenses or emergencies, such as medical bills, car repairs, or unexpected home repairs. Having an emergency fund can help you avoid taking on additional debt or dipping into your retirement savings when these unexpected expenses arise. It can also provide peace of mind knowing that you have a cushion to fall back on in case of an emergency. The amount you should save in your emergency fund will depend on a number of factors, such as your income, expenses, and the size of your family. As a general rule of thumb, you should aim to save at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in your emergency fund. To get started, set up a separate savings account specifically for your emergency fund. Try to contribute a set amount each month, even if it's just a small amount. Over time, your emergency fund will grow and provide you with the financial security you need. Remember, an emergency fund is not meant to be used for everyday expenses or luxuries, but rather for true emergencies. 5. Invest in your future with retirement accounts. Investing in your future is always a wise decision, and retirement accounts are a great way to start. Retirement accounts help you save for your future and prepare for a comfortable retirement. There are several types of retirement accounts available, including 401ks, IRAs, and Roth IRAs. 401ks are typically offered by employers and allow you to contribute a certain percentage of your paycheck to the account. Many employers offer matching contributions, which means they will contribute a certain percentage of your contributions to the account as well. This is essentially free money that you can use to grow your retirement savings. IRAs, individual retirement accounts, are another option that can be opened by anyone, regardless of whether they are employed or not. With IRAs, you can choose to invest in stocks, bonds, and mutual funds, and contributions are tax deductible up to a certain amount. Roth IRAs, on the other hand, are funded with after-tax dollars, but the contributions and earnings grow tax-free. This means you won't have to pay taxes on the money when you withdraw it during retirement. No matter which retirement account you choose, it's important to start saving as early as possible. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow and compound. By investing in your future with retirement accounts, you'll be setting yourself up for a financially healthy retirement. 6. Celebrate your successes and stay motivated. Celebrating your financial successes is a crucial part of staying motivated and continuing to make progress towards your financial goals. Whether it's paying off a debt, reaching a savings milestone, or simply sticking to your budget for the month, taking a moment to acknowledge and celebrate your accomplishments can help you stay on track and motivated. One way to celebrate your successes is to treat yourself to a small reward. This could be something as simple as a night out with friends or a special purchase that you've been wanting for a while. Just be sure to keep it within your budget and avoid overspending. Another way to stay motivated is to track your progress over time. Keep a record of your financial goals and milestones, and update it regularly. This will help you see how far you've come and remind you of what you're working towards. Finally, consider finding an accountability partner or joining a support group to help you stay motivated and on track. This could be a friend or family member who shares your financial goals, or an online community of like-minded individuals. By celebrating your successes and staying motivated, you'll be well on your way to a healthier financial life. We hope you enjoyed our video about money management tips for a healthier financial life. Managing your finances can be overwhelming and stressful, but it doesn't have to be. By following the tips we provided in this video, you can achieve financial peace of mind and start living the life you want without worrying about money. Remember, small changes in your habits and mindset can lead to significant improvements in your financial situation. We hope you find these tips helpful and start taking control of your finances today. Don't forget to like, comment and share our video, and also subscribe to our YouTube channel.